Hello, I'm Isabel and welcome to the Balitang Bamboo. In this video, I will be reviewing the website Notion as an MS student, a website that reportedly is quote-unquote a new tool that blends your everyday work apps into one. It's the all-in-one workspace for you and your team. After being recommended this website by a friend to use as an organizer and school planner, I'll be going into the deep creeks of Notion to investigate its organizing tricks and how effective it really is. Creating an account. First, visit the website and click on Try Notion Free. The website asks you to sign up. You need your email and a verification code. After that, you can then set up your username and password. It also asks you if you are using this for a team or for just yourself. I chose an individual account. This process was overall easy and not overcomplicated. First, the website will give you a series of different pages. The first page will be the general tutorial of the website as a starter pack. Reading through it helps grasp the different controls and uses of Notion. At the top, they offer a written tutorial, and for further detail, they also include videos. Honestly, looking at it now, it was very accommodating. They had provided a good range of information in different formats and gave a good base of understanding. I'm using Notion as a student, so I organize things for my subjects, clubs, due dates, etc. In Notion, you are able to have a home and subpages to that. I had 3 different home pages, one for my subjects, one as a calendar, and one for extra clubs I joined. The way the website programmed these pages to have many subpages was productive, as I didn't find myself scrolling through millions of pages because I was able to section everything. This helps you just be more detailed and specific when looking for a certain resource, therefore making the process easier. Something I found successful as well as was how Notion has different templates for everything. It has a text template for quotes, page templates for when you want to add in a table, checklist, journal entry, etc. They even offer an explanation at the top of each of them on how to navigate the page. In terms of use, I find it well effective, but it does have its flaws. Firstly, I wouldn't recommend using this website as a forgetful person, or as using it so you can be reminded of due dates or important assessments. Notion won't send you notifications or give you an alarm, so in terms of reminders, it would be better to use apps like Reminder. It's important to acknowledge that if you are going to use Notion, you must already have established the responsibility in making sure you check it every day. In conclusion, this website is well effective in arranging all your links, folders, documents, Zoom links, etc. in one place. The website is resourceful when it comes to being an organizer, although in terms of being an online reminder or notifier when it comes to assessments, it still needs some work. Overall, I encourage you to use Notion as an MS student. It promotes a reliable, good work ethic, and while online school still reigns, having an organizer for all these Zoom and document links wouldn't be a bad idea. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed today's video.